channel. This video, I am finally ready to open up and talk to you guys about something that I've been keeping to myself for the past 5 months plus. Yes, I've been keeping it to myself and my husband and family and very few friends that saw me. And yeah, the truth is, or the fact is, what I'm trying to tell you in this video is that I am pregnant. I am pregnant. I am pregnant. And here is a picture of my baby that will be coming in the next couple of months. I am so happy. I'm so happy. Like, whenever I look at this picture, I get so emotional. Like, I can't wait to meet you, baby. I can't wait to meet you. So I've not found out the gender of the baby, so my husband and I just decided to hold on a bit before we find out the gender of this baby. That is because this baby gives me butterflies in my tummy. Okay, so this baby oh my god, oh my god. My favorite days during this pregnancy journey are the days that I visit the doctor. And whenever I go to see the doctor on my monthly appointments, I usually go for a scan. And then I am always very happy once I climb on that bed, because I'm like, oh my god, see my baby. I'm seeing my baby moving, the movement, you know, the heartbeat. I love it. I love it. Like, those are my favorite times whenever I visit the hospital, and I can't wait. Like, I've been looking at my calendar because I can't wait till the next appointment, which is coming up this month, so I can go see my baby again. It's like, it's an opportunity for me to go see my baby every month and see how my baby is doing. Know that my baby is growing fine, and it just makes me happy. I just have this feeling, like this unreal feeling, like, am I really becoming a mom soon? Am I really becoming a mom soon? Like, look at me. Look at me. I'm gonna be a mom, a 2020 mom. New mom of the decade. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I have already gone past first trimester. First trimester wasn't easy at all. Coupled with the fact that for the first few weeks, I did not know I was pregnant, and I was having all these symptoms, all these, I was falling sick. I was treating myself over and over again, treating malaria and typhoid like back to back, because I thought I was actually sick, and I did not know that there was something in there. And then how okay, how we found out that we were pregnant. How we found out that I was pregnant, like my husband and I don't know when I'm going to make that as a different video. Maybe when I'll be showing you clips of when I told my family members that I was pregnant, their reaction and everything. I'm filming this video at 23 weeks, but I'm not sure this video will be up until after 28 weeks or thereabout, 28 weeks to maybe 30 weeks. That is when this video will be out. I just want to keep it to myself for now and then just enjoy the feeling of being pregnant and the soon to be mom. There've been a lot of things happening to me, happening to my body, and everything has changed. So many things has changed about me, and if you noticed, I am glowing more than I used to before. I don't know why, but so many people see me and they kind of ask, what's up? How come you are like get glowing like this every day? And although I'm beginning to have some hyperpigmentation, my neck is getting a bit darker. I don't know, it's not like dark, like really dark, but it's getting a bit darker, and I've been trying to scrub it a lot because I don't want it to get dark. I am fair and I don't want to have like white black or fair blacky fair. So that's why I've been like kind of scrubbing it and a lot, because I don't want it to have that discoloration. Hopefully I'll be lucky enough not to have my neck that discolored. But apart from that, my body has changed. I'm adding up, I'm putting on some weight. I'm putting on some weight like every week. I'm adding some weight because I now eat more than I used to eat as a single person. Like when I was alone, like I don't used to eat that much then, but now I've doubled up. And I really had to double up. I really had to like start eating my food, because I now take supplements. There are some supplements I take, and when I went to the hospital to enroll for my antenatal, the doctor told me that my blood level was at the lowest and that I need to replenish that blood as soon as possible if I don't want blood transfusion. And what will make me want blood transfusion if I can get back my blood by simply eating? So since then, I don't joke with my foods. I make sure I eat whenever I'm hungry. I have my snacks with me. I just eat. I think I'm going to make a whole different video about my pregnancy journey, like first trimester, my experiences during the first trimester, and then yeah, I think that is just it. I don't want this video to be too long. I just want you to know that we are expecting someone on board. We are expecting a little angel, a beautiful or a handsome one. I don't actually know what the gender is going to be. It is our first pregnancy, and any gender won't be questioned at all. I don't know what the gender anyways, but very soon we are going to find out the gender, and when we get to find out the gender, we'll also let you know. Okay, let the congratulatory messages rolling. Yeah, let them roll in. So that is it for this video. This is also going to kind of decide the type of content that I'll be putting out on this channel, because I'm going to start putting out mom related content on this channel as well, pregnancy related content, my experiences, and I've actually been switching up my videos a little bit in like recently, and yes, so you should be expecting more from me. And let me know what you will want to know. Let me know the type of content you would like to see on this channel. And yeah, thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching my older videos. I really do appreciate, and I love you. Bye for now.